Hawkins.
Ooh.
Clean steal. Clean heist.
And that's a foul. That's 2 free throws. Jojo knocking him with the shoulders. Alam mo si David is a rookie, but he's a very intelligent player. I mean, he fished for that foul. He went to Jojo Lastimosa. Parang, yan, bangay mo ako. Very much, you know. Come. In other words, he has court sense, no?
Nung una, no, ang impression kay Bal, baka would not make good decisions, but over the last conference, the way it has gone, he has developed and matured.
Alam ko he's gonna be good because alam mo naman kumpare ko si Jolie pa. Sinabi sa akin, gagaling yung batang yan. Matagal na. You know, just like when he said the same thing for Ronnie Magsanok before Ronnie Magsanok made his heroics. I knew this guy had it.
In the meantime, Ginebra threw free throws trying to inch back into this ball game.
6-0 run, cutting the lead of 9-3. That timeout really helped, even though it was charged to Alaska because of the mandatory. No? That's a foul on
Maxine?
Oh,